Okay, find the regression equation letting the first variable be the predictor x using the listed lemon crash data, where the lemon imports are in metric tons and the fatality rates are per 100,000 people. Find the best predicted crash fatality rate for the year in which there are 400 metric tons of lemon imports. Is the prediction worthwhile? Find the equation of the regression line. Let's open it in StatCrunch. Okay, let's go to Stat. Let's do regression, simple linear. Your X variable is the lemon imports. Your Y variable is the crash fatality rate. And then we compute. Okay, you're looking for the equation. And it's like there. All right. It says the constant is to 3 decimal places. So that would be 16.728. And then it says round the coefficient to 6. So notice there's a subtraction symbol here. So make it a negative 0.00316, and that would be a 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the 8 rounds the 1 to a 2. The best predicted crash fatality rate for 400 tons. Okay, they didn't give you a significance level, but you would assume a 0.5. Your R here is the 0.934, but we don't have the chart here. We could go find one, I'm sure. But let's see what we've got for the P. And keep in mind you want the slope one. This is the P, 0.0198. So it's less than 0.05 unless you were using a 0.01 significance level. This is pretty good. All right, so our best prediction for 400 metric ton, and of course that's the line best fit right there. That looks pretty good too, to see what was actually there. So we want to go to data, and we want to compute an expression, and we can put in the 16.728, and actually we're subtracting now, minus 0.003162 times our input of 400 metric tons, and we compute. And they add it to the data table up here. I want 1 decimal place, so it would be 15.5. Okay, it says, is the prediction worthwhile? Since common sense suggests that there is not much of a relationship between the two variables, the prediction doesn't make much sense. Since the sample size is small, the prediction is not appropriate. Since there appears to be an outlier, the prediction is not appropriate. Since all the requirements for finding the equation of the regression line are met, the prediction is worthwhile. Now, that would probably be correct if we were doing just the science of the statistics. But that would be the actual correct answer. Sometimes we forget about common sense when we're just working with statistics. Since common sense suggests there is should not be much of a relationship between the two variables, the prediction doesn't make sense. Crash fatality rate is not determined whether your car is good or not. It really has more to do with your driving skills and the driving skills of those people around you.